Hello, I'm Arson Wells, and I'm here to talk to you today about fireworks abuse. Why we have evidence of children as young as 5 years old playing with firecrackers. And yes, even M80s. This type of behavior has to stop and should always be done under supervision. Take this young man, Peter Handler. He walked outside one August afternoon in a rather pedestrian manner and started to play with fireworks to his prevail.
My hand. Oh, I can't feel my arm. I can't feel my arm.
Yep, it was a year ago on the 4th of July that it happened. Since then I've been a physical therapist. I've been recovering and I'm on a positive road to recovery. Of course now I can't play baseball with the guys or run around, play sports, but aside from that, it sucks, alright? It sucks! God damn it!
Make sure that this doesn't happen to you.